Warm greeting to all. Today we are going to discuss drawing interpretation. So, aim and objectives. Identify appropriate supplementary information from drawing to aid the process. So, we need supplementary information to aid the process sequence. Sequence of operation we have to identify with the help of a drawing. Identify and interrupt geometric information from the drawing. Identify and interrupt dimensional information from the drawing. Identify the critical processing factor for the component from the dimensional and the geometric information from the drawing. Then types of drawings: detailed drawing, single part drawing, collective drawing, assembly drawing, single assembly drawing, collective assembly drawing. Drawing interpretation. The specific aim of the process planning activity was stated as the selection and sequencing of processes and operations to transfer a chosen raw material into finished component. That is detailed process required to manufacture a part. So we are converting the raw material into finished goods. So we need a sequence of operation, so that you have to select from the drawing interpretation. So it was also shown that main input of the process planning activity is that product design, and in particular the detailed design documentation, although there are number of other major inputs. So therefore, the first step of the manufacturing engineer in preparing process plan is to consult the engineering drawing of the parts under consideration. So based on the engineering drawing parts, we have to prepare a process plan. So what are the operation involved in the part, and which one is first, which one is second. So we have to identify the process. Although some knowledge of the production of engineering drawing is assumed, the drawing interpretation will require knowledge of the standard and symbols used for both dimensional and geometric tolerance. So these will be also covered with the reference made to the appropriate standards. The interpretation of the drawing should include considering geometric shape, dimension, and associated tolerances, geometric tolerances, surface finish specification, material, raw material size, and the number of parts required. Finally, the drawing interpretation should help to identify the critical processing factors. So this is simple part drawing to identify the process. So with this diagram, we have to identify the what are the process involved in the this machine component. So drilling component, involved four drills, and we have to do a surface finish on both the sides. It is a diametrical component. So likewise, we have to identify the operations and what are all the tools required. So what are all the machines required, so that you have to identify with the uh, drawing. So that is the importance of drawing interpretation. The remaining topic we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.